Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make glass noodle salad. Soak glass noodles in warm water for 10 minutes until soft, then drain and rinse with cold water. Toss noodles with sliced cucumber, shredded carrot, chopped herbs, and toasted peanuts. Whisk lime juice, fish sauce, palm sugar, and chili for the dressing. Taste and adjust seasoning to balance sour, salty, and sweet. Serve chilled for a refreshing, light main or side dish. Prep ingredients first to streamline assembly. Soak mung bean glass noodles until tender, then drain thoroughly. Julienne vegetables thinly for even texture and easy eating. Toast peanuts or cashews for crunch and coarsely chop them. Make dressing ahead and chill for flavors to meld, then toss just before serving. Adjust chili and lime to suit your heat preference. Serve with protein like shrimp, tofu, or shredded chicken if desired. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes and cookbooks easy anywhere, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It's perfect for following recipes on the go or in a steamy kitchen without worrying about spills. Check the description for the link and other deals I found. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Flavor variations let you customize this salad easily. Swap fish sauce for soy or tamari to make it vegetarian-friendly without losing umami. Add mango, pineapple, or green apple for sweet contrast against spicy dressing. Incorporate herbs like Thai basil and mint for aromatic layers. To store, keep dressing separate and refrigerate noodles in an airtight container up to 2 days. Retoss well before serving to revive textures and flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.